A company said, we are looking for an AI model that can generate disk and ocean scores based on the text written by a person. The model must be able to accurately analyze the text and provide scores according to the logic outlined in the attachment provided. The AI model must be easily implemented to be integrated into our existing system. But first let's see what they mean. Ocean is something that I touched also in other content, maybe in Italian, but it involves encapsulating the personality into 5 features. Openness to experience, tidy or messy, as I call them, extraversion, I think it is self-explanatory, how much friendly a person behaves, so the opposite of me, and emotional versus rational, let's call it. Notice the dates, and in theory, we could use a linguistic statistical model, not like GPT, but something, let's call it more primitive, to classify a text of a potential client, so a lead, and see if their classification aligns with the ones of previous customer. In practice, it is different. Let's take this Hugging Face service. It is free, and of course you don't have to have high expectation about this kind of service. And let's use, for example, something that comes from my blog. Let's take almost the whole article I wrote. Let's put it inside here. Hopefully it will spit out the 5 labels in a short manner, and the answer is yes. So you have such score. I don't really agree with the scores, of course, because I know my scores, but let's compare the results to this other service, again based on Hugging Face, that is the hub for such kind of services. Hopefully it will take a long text as well, and in this case it takes a bit more to compute the results. You see that here we have a problem. That means here we have the labels as names, here we have labels as something that doesn't speak, even though here they specified. So label 0 is extroversion, because Python counts from 0, and we see a score of this one. And you see that it is completely different from this one. Let's take one, neuroticism, 0.2, and here it is not the same. I could continue, but you understood the conclusion. Good luck if you wish to profile leads using this kind of statistical models that come from psychometry. Fortunately, humans are a bit more complicated than such models try to encapsulate. Of course, I want to remind you, those are free models. There surely exist some companies out there that specialize exactly in this, that can provide useful results. But is it worth it, economically speaking? In my opinion, no. So this is the answer to this video. If you want to understand the features of your customers in a different statistical manner that I used for another company that actually yielded results, you can contact me for a free call where we can discuss it, and you can book this free call in the contact page of enterprisestatistics.com or in the link you find in the description. Bye, and see you the next time. Last consideration, if you want that I go deeper into this topic with an academic profile, please tell me this in a comment.